broke on me. Okay. Thank God. So guys, welcome back to A Hat in Time. And the little first few seconds was me hoping that things didn't break, because the for you guys seen the last From the Depths episode that we did, yeah, things kind of broke on me and I literally had to restart the game. Well, I managed to find 2 of the 3 time rifts, and now there's only 1 left. Now, I know where... well, the only thing I know of its location is by the picture. And that sounds rather sad. Yay! So we need to find a large stone walkway. And it looks to be something like a wooden sign, maybe? Let's head back to here and see if we can find it. I honestly hope that you guys are enjoying the series so far, because this is not exactly something completely orthodox that we would do. Because, I mean, from what you guys have seen so far, there's just mainly just shooters and like third and first person shooters, and I'm trying to think. My brain is drawing a blank. Oh yeah, and sandbox games. So I mean, something like this is kind of completely out of left field. Oh, it's you. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, wait. I was literally just gonna say, if we found it, I'm gonna laugh. Wow, that took all a matter of like 10 seconds. I'm really curious as to why he's happy though.
Mafia say keep eye out for tunnel. Maybe something interesting appear later. Ha! Mafia just kidding. Nothing interesting ever happened here.
Are you sure about that? There's a time rift literally floating right in the middle of it. Bizarre. Okay. Oh gosh, the sleeping raccoons. Well, I know I mentioned this in the past, like, couple of videos, but I really do love this level here. Well, I love all the levels in this game. But this one, or these ones, really shows something. Oh, cookies! Really shows something soothing and relaxing outside of the usual, like, hustle and bustle of the regular levels. And these levels seem to be pretty easy. So, I mean, I say that, literally get to the literally get to the platform where the timepiece is, and I fall down and die. Rob, don't put your foot in your mouth. Oh my god. Wait, these levels are like relatively easy. Death aside. Oh yeah, I'm after getting some trading cards from this game, and one of them is literally her, and it said, was it, the catch it says was it, hey, it's me. Was it, got no time to hang around. I gotta get home. And I think it was called the kid with the hat. I think that's what it's called. Ooh. Oh, we got a bow. Nope, not a bow. The second one had a bow. We got a rose on it this time, so we're accessorizing. All right. Seems like we got something else done in the bedroom. Okay, now let's see if that's all the levels done. Cheating the raced. Cheating the raced. Okay. So we're going to have to come back to this one and get a key item apparently. So, okay, that's where it talks about the microwave. Let's head downstairs and see what's in there. This is still my favorite room, I'm sorry, I love it. This one leads up to the art gallery, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Hey, wait, what? Did we already do this? Why is it still here? Wait a minute. Is it... Yeah, we already did this. Oh, it's not gonna take very long. I was hoping this would be actually a little bit easier than just going around this way. But I guess there has to be some challenge put to it. And once again, I put my own foot in my mouth. Yeah, me trying to show off my platforming skills, and that ends up getting me killed. That's why you should only show off your actual good or your real skills instead of trying to show off what you can't actually do. Because, well, first of all, you wouldn't exactly be truthful and honest. But you also be, well, you may or may not be able to actually pull it off. Okay. Those are always nice. Okay, so the right button is set to center the camera. Sorry. Oh crap. What if I do it back here? I don't want to be a bit. Oh god. Ow. Hi. Oh god. Okay. Sorry, hey kid. Hey! Hiya! Sweet. Yeah, I'd say the last one's pretty easy, and what do I end up doing? I end up almost dying in this one, the first one that we actually did. Well, that's only mainly due to my cockiness. So, I take full responsibility for that. Now, those spiders, they need to be homed in on. Okay, so... Whoa! If I can actually do that. Okay. Dang it. Wait. Oh god. This is not gonna end well. Ow! Ha! Dang it! It's some lag. I'm getting some like literal visual lag with that, and I don't know why. Well, my computer's freaking out right now, so. Wow, thanks for that. Okay, can you seriously just stop? Just stop. Chill out. There's no need of this. Thanks. Because when it lags, I can't properly get onto the platform, and I always end up overcompensating. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it lags so much on that part. It's really weird and it's ridiculous. Yeah, we got that one already. Oh my god, it's a giant whale. You would think we already got the timepiece from that rift. You think it wouldn't actually still be open? Eh. So let's head downstairs to the machinery room. I think that's what it was called. She said something. It wasn't that. It wasn't that either. There we go. Oh, it's that, oh my god, see if I can remember it. That's the multi-stage... I forget what it's called. 7-stage try-calculating quantum harmonizer. Oh, wrong hat. Thank you. Wait. She gets like such of an evil look on her face. Let's go. Battle of the Birds. Oh, time rift detected. Dead Bird Studio. Okay. Find out where those timepieces went. Top review, 2.5 stars. Actors sound terrible. Ouch. Legal status totally not allowed in. Why is she wearing 2 pairs of sunglasses? That's kind of weird. Chapter 2, Battle of the Birds, Act 1, Dead Bird Studio. Wait, the birds are referenced in the relic. Apparently that one's having a bit of an argument. It looks like he is. What the heck?
This movie studio is too big for the both of us, DJ. Grooves. The movie should be made by real birds.
Okay, so we got the Scottish bird over here.
You moon penguins are just gonna write some loud, noisy dribble. If I wanted a bunch of picnics to dance around while on birdseed, ha! I'd visit my grandchildren.
Wow, he's dishing out the birds.
Nonsense, darling, nonsense. You Owl Express birds are just gonna record another boring train-related western. You've done so for the last 10 years, darling.
What? No, we haven't, you buffoon!
Conductor, darling, this year we'll be winning the annual Bird Movie Award, as our new movie props will bring in the audiences.
I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but that timepiece is literally is in that case that you guys can see a piece of.
These shiny things fell from the sky. They will light our movie sets and fill them with glimmer.
There they are.
Oh, yeah? Well, this time around, we're also spicing it up with our newest movie props. These hourglass thingies will be the grand jewel in our train heist western.
We're just standing there not saying a thing.
What the what? You no good, dirty picnics! You copied our props!
I would never, darling. Clearly, you're the one who took inspiration in my flashy new props.
Oh, that does it! Get out of here with ya! I've got a movie to record!
Sounds like me. Well, not so much what they get out here with you, but that last bit, I've got the movie to record. Yeah, that's me in a nutshell right there. Well, that's any YouTuber in a nutshell, really.
Fine by me, darling. But we'll be the ones who win the annual Bird Movie Award. Mark my word.
Okay, so they got a total of 5,
Oh, yeah? Let's see how well you do when you can't get into the reception. Oh, wait, shutting the picnics inside the studio will force them to work harder.
Bad move.
All right, time to go, owls. Let's make our killer movie. Oh, and receptionist, can you please close off that vent already? I don't want the smell of penguin to come anywhere near my crew.
Okay, so we got 5 timepieces to find here.
I wanted to ask this reception guy a question, but he hasn't acknowledged me at all. But now I've been standing here for so long, it'd be awkward to start up a conversation. I really suck at interacting with other birds.
That poor owl.
Oh, hey, little chirper. They're recording right now, so no one's allowed in. We're only insured for bird staff. Letting you in would be a liability. Don't even think about sneaking inside.
The vent. Wait, what's this? Oh my god, no way. Whoops!
Don't tell anyone this, but before DJ Grooves became fascinated by movies, he actually ran a nightclub. I know. Crazy, right? Who would have thought?
That's... whoops. I thought if we get an extra one, I didn't think it would blow up. Okay, so now it's gotten a little bit 2D. Well, side scrolling. Okay. I'm going over here so I can get more pawns. Oh, it's you again. Okay.
Please, disregard my twitchy behavior. My body has been to places that have left a permanent mark.
Okay. Significantly reduce the cooldown when using hats. Plugs your ears, Snake, and only hear vague mumbling. What's the point of the hat? No more bonking against walls while diving. That one might come in handy. For as like weird and ominous as what that that trader is, it's kind of cool. Oh great! So wait, is this supposed to happen? I can't get in. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay, so there's the timepieces. Off they go. Oh my god, that is a cute little dance. Okay. Let's run.
You penguins ready to record the next scene?
Okay, let's
make this movie happen. Owls, in position. Action!
So we can't hit this anymore? I said attack, didn't it? Okay.
Wait, you're in the background. What the heck is wrong with you?
We're going to get spotted, I know we are. Wait.
Take number 4065.
4,675. Ouch. Wait. Oh god, we got spotted. Assault on cactus. Really? Wait. How do we get up there? That's what I want to know. There's some way up there. Oh god. That platform. I'm just trying to eye the area and see what we can do here. Because that hat looks like it could come in handy. Oh my god, seriously? Disrupting God, we're gonna get a massive bill for this. Okay, are we gonna okay, so it looks like we're supposed to sneak through here. I'm not quite sure how. Okay. But how are we supposed to get those things? Okay. Owl harassment, ow. Please don't see us. Okay, turn around. Turn around, please. Thank you. Ah! Ow.
Owls are lousy.
Oh my god, seriously? Okay, there must be some way to get up there. So as I said, that hat could come in handy. What way, I don't know. But looks like it could be something helpful. Let's recall it. Oh! Okay. Okay. Oh god. Yep, our bill is just going to... Okay. Oh! Look at a time rift right there. What? Okay, so are we supposed to leap off of here? End up down there? I'm not going to be going after the time rifts yet. I'm going to try and finish up this level first. Oh. No. No! I had it! I friggin' hit it! Ah! God, how much of a big of a friggin' bill are we gonna get? Oof. Please, thank you. Okay, we're supposed to get on top of that sign. God. Whoa! Thanks, game. I somehow missed the ladder, which I clearly jumped straight at. Out of my way. Stupid cactus. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. So now let's head back over there. Wait, could we have just... no, that platform's too high. It doesn't look that high from this distance. Okay. What is this? So cold. Ice yarn. That's for those ice platforms. The blue platforms and the snowflakes? I'll be coming back for you. Okay. Okay. God, there's red lights everywhere here. This is not gonna be easy, is it? No one said it would be. That was. Oh god. How he didn't just think of it.
Cameras, lights, action!
Please don't see me, please don't see me. Please don't see us. We're invisible. Okay, so where are we supposed to go? Minor head adjustment.
What you in the background? What the heck is wrong with you?
Okay, so we're supposed to go down there. Okay. Run. Okay. Run! Okay, so we need to get into that switch and whack it really quickly. Are you serious? Well, this is not gonna be. This is gonna be easy, isn't it? There. Oh, we're going to end up getting caught anyway. Okay. Okay, this is D. So it looks like we're going between both of the movies. I'm out of your sight. Really? Oh, we're gonna end up playing a bloody fortune because of me. Yeah, I feel smart, don't I? Yeah, of course. What the heck is this? Whoa. Okay. Oh, God. No, God. That was close. Okay. Wait. Stay down. Stay down. I doubt that's actually gonna work. Get down. Stay down. Oh God. Oh wait. Whoa! 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 No! No! I know exactly what did that. That was my computer freaking out because right when I was jumping, trying to reorient myself, my computer's fan just starts going mad. So, do I know what my computer's doing? No, not at all. And I really wish I did. To be blatantly honest. TPKO. Wow. Oh God. Whoa. Okay, that was cheap. I mean, I'm out of the way. Whoa, I didn't think I could do that. Wait, what the heck is this? Oh, it's a giant UFO. What the heck? Okay, so we need to go through here. So we're supposed to go in through that way, or... Okay, so we have to go in through that way. Okay, so that's gonna be fun. Trying not to get caught. I had a funny feeling that was not gonna work. Ah, what? So how are we supposed to get through there? Oh, up there? I don't know if that kind of makes sense. Ow! Oh! Oh my god, why does that hurt? Okay. Okay. Oh, that always makes me nervous.
Magnificent. Stunning. This trophy is everything I desire. On the shelf in my living room. Of course, this big trophy is just a plastic replica. The actual trophy is really tiny.
Huh?
Oh my, what is that I see? Is it true inner beauty? An innocent soul with a heart of gold? Oh no, it's just a little girl. Hello. Oh wait, you're not a penguin. That's good. I could use some non-penguin company around here, as all my penguins are frankly terrible actors. Here's the biz. I need your help. I'm on a terrible losing streak, and I just have to win this next annual Bird Movie Award. There's no doubt I absolutely must have you as the star. Here, let me take care of this.
Oh, thank you.
We need to give you a bird passport, darling. Step right over here.
Oh, for the love of...
The most important part of a passport is the picture, darling. You have to look flashy and stunning. Step right over here. Let's take the pic. Okay, put on a smile and stand still, please. Don't move.
That did that on its own. Okay, I'm not moving.
Let's see how the picture turned out. Darling, you're not very photogenic, huh? We've got to fix this ugly mugshot up with some old-fashioned photo doctoring. Here, take these markers and turn yourself into the most stylish, fashionable young lady.
Okay, I'm actually just gonna hit done.
Perfect! Let's slide this picture into your passport, and here you go. One passport for you.
So that's actually quite adorable. I'll leave it as it is. Sweet. I'm legally a bird now, I think. Passport for the Federal Union of Birds.
Wonderful, darling. Oh, just wonderful. Meet me at the movie set tomorrow, and we'll make you a star.
Hey! What do you think you're doing?
Huh?
Oh, you can't just jump in and fiddle with the annual Bird Movie Awards. That's fraud! Fraud! Hey, everyone! We've got a fraudster over here! Oh, where are my owl guards at? Why are the owls so darn useless? Alright, listen here, lass. You're in big trouble. If you're helping crooked DJ Grooves rig the awards, and I can't take you to jail, then you're got to help me even the score. That's right. You're got to be the star of my movies, too. Here, hold our newest prop. Practice showing it off and bring it to my movie set tomorrow. You got that? Don't be late.
Sweet. Man, that level was a bit of a doozy, I must be honest. Alright, but that's actually gonna have to do it for this time, guys. Wow, that was actually quite interesting. As I said, I must be honest. So, whack the like button with your umbrella if you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys. I need to be more stealthy for you guys, so I won't end up getting caught as often. Did you guys see that over by the big cogs behind that machine there? The big cog there on the left wall, there was like something gold and shiny there, just a little weird. That was a little weird.